Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can see who viewed your TikTok videos. So first of all, there is no such option to see everybody who viewed your TikTok videos because people have certain privacy settings that they don't make it able for others to see that they viewed their videos. So to do that, you need to click your profile on the bottom right corner, go to one of your videos, and after that you can see the views on the bottom left corner and you just need to click on the views. As you can see, right now I cannot click on the views, and that's because after 7 days these metrics won't be available anymore. So you can only see who viewed your videos within the 7-day interval of you posting the video. So the video which I posted within 7 days, now I can click on the views, and now this option is turned off for me. And if I turn this option on, people will be able to see that I viewed their video and I will be able to see who viewed my videos. So I'm gonna turn this on, and now I can see the people with the certain privacy settings that allow me to see that they viewed my video. And by the way, you can turn this on by clicking your profile, then clicking the 3 lines on the top right corner, clicking settings and privacy, clicking privacy, and just scroll down to post views. And now this is turned on for me because I just turned it on, but for a lot of people it's turned off so that you cannot see if they viewed your videos. A lot of people don't even know about this function. That's probably why it's turned off, and also for privacy reasons, obviously. Alright, so all in all, this is how you can see who viewed your TikTok video. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.